This small little device can convert any speaker into an Alexa enabled speaker. You're watching India Today Tech, I'm Rahul Sethi, and in this video we'll take a look at the newly announced Echo Input. The Echo Input has a price tag of about 3000 rupees, and inside the box you get this small little device, a 3.5 mm audio cable, and a user guide that tells you how to set up the Echo Input. The device comes in a little box that says all the features that are used on Alexa are available on this one as well. Like all the Echo speakers, this requires a regular power supply, so you also get an adapter bundled with the device. And this will power up the Echo Input, and it needs to be set up using your Alexa app. Like the regular Echo speaker, the app will recognize this device and will be connected to Wi-Fi. Using your home Wi-Fi, this device can stream audio and get you any information you would want, same as what you get on Alexa speakers. But the only difference is that now you can play all those songs on your home theater system as well, or any other big speaker that you would like. The Echo Input is essentially the Echo Dot without a speaker. So you'll see at the top, it has a very similar design. There are 4 microphones placed on the outside, and in the middle there are 2 buttons, one that fires Alexa, the other that mutes the microphones, and in the middle there is an LED light. The device also has a 3.5 mm audio jack, so if you would want to route the audio to another speaker via wired connection, you can do so. Now to set up the Echo Input, you need to connect it to the power source and fire the Alexa app. In the Alexa app, you need to add the device, and rest of the thing is very similar to what you do with any other Echo speaker. When the phone is connected to Wi-Fi, it will look for the Echo Input, and after it is connected to the phone, you'll see an option to pair a Bluetooth speaker with the Echo Input. This is an option not available on other Echo speakers, and that is where the Echo Input is different. All this happens in the Alexa application. Once the Echo Input connects to the Bluetooth speaker, the Bluetooth speaker is as good as an Echo speaker. Alexa, play Michael Jackson songs.
Shuffling songs by Michael Jackson on Amazon Music.
We found that there was no lag, and Alexa integration with the speaker happens quite nicely. So the Echo Input may be the cheapest Echo device out there in the market right now, but its ability to make any big speaker Alexa enabled is quite nice. I mean, if you listen to music a lot using Alexa, this is the device to buy. Let us know your thoughts about the Echo Input in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.